Akiria hindi igongona ria mathiko ma James Muriuki, murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa uthuthuria Ndegwa Muhoro, nirathingiriria Kenya mathingatithie thayu. Akiuga ati borithi iri maitho kugacirithia ugitiri icigo iria ina ngai thutha wa maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano kĩnene kwanirirwo.
We are requesting and appealing to Kenyans to maintain peace. The elections have happened. We have legal processes on which to raise any petition or contestations. Those should be pursued just like indicated by appeal by observers, the religious leaders, and even Kenyans generally.
Muhoro ningĩ nĩaraurire muingi kuhura riboti kuri ruhonge ruru ĩgiĩ andũ arĩa maragagia thayu matũra-inĩ mao.
Don't take the law into your hands. If you feel aggrieved, you are the police to report to. You have the administrators to report to for the appropriate actions to be taken.
Mwena wake mũmbunge wa Kieni kanini kega hamwe na ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũmbunge wa Ndagũrĩtia Muhoro Dennis Waweru marorire mũtongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya Nasarela Odinga etĩkĩre kũhotwo nĩgetha bũrũri ũthiĩ na mbere.
Wakenya wameamua na wakasema kwamba yule ambaye wamechagua kama rais wa taifa hili letu la Kenya ni Mheshimiwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Ametuzungusha kutoka IBC, alisema tutoe IBC. Tukatoa IBC tukaleta hiyo yake. Akasema to print ballot. Akaenda kotini 21 cases. I think we are tired as Kenyans. Na kama wewe hutaki kwenda kazi, wacha wana Kenya wale wako na kazi waende kazi. Kama wewe ni jobless, kaa nyumbani, lakini wacha wa Kenya wale wako na kazi waende kazi.
Atongoria maranagia hindi ya mathiko ma James Muriuki mwena-inĩ wa Kieni. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.